Hey everyone, just checking in here. We have the large Ninja Turtle that we're trying to print right now. This is the 96-hour print. We're about 45 hours into it. There's no issues yet. Everything's coming out really great. This is being done on the new Prusa XL. The old one over there still working. We just have it on smaller projects right now. You can see about 57% done. So we're getting there. Ideally, this will be. It's saying it's not going to be done until the 25th. So we still have about 35 hours left, is what it's saying. Still going really good on it. Very clean. Did want to touch back on the thumb drive issue that we were having with this. So we did reach out to Prusa on it, talked to them over the weekend. They said that they have had a few other issues with this port on the XL. They're just going to send us a new display that we're going to plug in and replace this one. We'll send this one back and they can figure out what's going on with it. For those of you asking, we did try multiple flash drives. We tried a SanDisk and a Samsung. Both of them had the exact same issues. So we do start by plugging this thing all the way in and then slowly work it out a little bit until we can get it to connect long enough to start the print. Once the print starts, it's got no issues. It stays going just fine. So that one's great. Looking forward to getting that new screen. Once we do, we'll update you, see if that fixed the issue on it. Other than that, this XL has been fine. On the old Prusa XL here, check out these Ninja Turtle coasters. They turned out super sweet. They take about 30 minutes to do one of these. So we typically do a batch of 4. You can see we got a few of them over here. We'll do a batch of 4 and then go to the next turtle and just change out one of the colors. But yeah, super easy, works really well. Loving these things. We got a few friends we're gonna give these away to. But yeah, I thought they were super neat. Thought I'd share them. We found them on Maker World if you guys are looking for them. We might end up actually blowing a few of these up and using them for wall art. But for coasters, they're awesome. Perfect thickness. They look great. And over here, oh, it looks like we're printing a few of these on this side too. So we are testing, that's right, we were speed testing this. We wanted to see how fast it would do these coasters on this side versus the XL. We were trying to do that for another video. And check this out. We've got the AMS system spinning. And it's stuck. There it goes. For whatever reason, this thing gets stuck on occasion and just spins. And you can kind of see right down in here, right above my fingernail, the little roller shavings. Come on, focus. There you go. So these AMS wheels, they're getting chewed up pretty quick. I think we'll go ahead and just order a couple extra sets for it. But I did want to show how fast the AMS and the X1C could print these coasters versus the Prusa. But yeah, it's just a quick update on the channel. Looking forward to showing you this turtle. It's going to be massive, and we are very excited for it. So stay tuned. We've got some really cool ideas coming together with this and some new features that we're going to be rolling out for the channel. So make sure you catch the next videos, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I know everybody says it, but it really does help out channels, especially smaller ones. Thank you.